Oh, look at that. I've got a newspaper framed through my door by the paper boy on his bicycle. Just like the guy that did the Ellie house that James used to play. At least it hasn't broken any windows. Is it actually a newspaper though? Let's have a look. Ooh. Gazette. Time for change. NHS crisis. Meet your next MP. Is this actually a newspaper? Is it just some sort of advertising for the local politician? Mister, get a newspaper. Get a newspaper. Bring the newspaper. Yeah, I don't think it's a newspaper. I think it's advertising for the MP. Oh. Also covering Oxford. Blimey. Right, the big question is, of course, will it have a page 3 on Sam Fox or Linda Lusardi? And I've got my doubts, but if Linda Lusardi or Sam Fox come on page 3, well, I'll be a happy bunny. Okay, so there was no Linda Lusardi or Sam Fox on page 3, sadly. I don't know what this is. It's not a proper newspaper. Anyway, so I adapted it with a bit of duct tape. It's a bit sticky. And there she is. Oh, look at that, page 3. Fantastic. Oh, hello. And you can fuck off for a start. I don't know who that old lady is. I think they might be photoshopped. Look, they're definitely photoshopped. Anyway, that hasn't been photoshopped. I could tell by my fingers. Right, enough of that. Right, there we go. I'll leave that for my wife to get home, and she can have a nice read of the paper. Oh, the Gazette. Not the Gazelle, but the Gazette.
Risking his life for the public's right to be informed, Paperboy rides the sidewalks of this land delivering papers.
Awesome sauce. Right in the mailbox. Oh wow.